Welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host, Crypto Chester, talking about Fartcoin today. We did cover this, I think, maybe yesterday or the day before, but a massive update is coming through today, guys. You can see 16% here on the daily. The last 7 days, it's done a 2x. This chart is so goddamn bullish right now. So we're going to be going through this and seeing some price targets because this thing is creeping up to $1 billion again, which is very, very bullish. Now, before we get into Fartcoin and some very interesting price action here, I want to talk to you quickly about Mind of Pepe. Mind of Pepe, guys, is essentially an AI agent that is basically nearly raised $8 million, okay? Now, an $8 million raise is not something to be ignored right now, especially in this market. And usually when this happens, we're likely to see massive centralized exchange listings straight out of launch, as soon as it launches. Essentially, we're talking Binance, Coinbase, Bybit, BitGet, Mexi, big dogs, okay? Really big exchange listings, and you know it's super bullish when we do see those happen, okay? Now you can see here, it is a Pepe themed AI agent. We haven't seen one of them yet. We've seen many go to hundreds of millions of dollars of market cap, but we haven't seen a Pepe one. So this is super unique in itself. It's had all of its audits done. You guys can go check them out. And the socials are popping, and there's also massive staking rewards as well, 284%. You can get involved with Ethereum, USDT, BNB, or USDC, or even Visa or MasterCard if you guys want to go check that out. Do your own research. Love to see it. Just throwing you some alpha information there because that project I think is going to do very well indeed. Now, looking at Fartcoin chart, as we discussed, I think maybe yesterday or the day before, you can see support in this area, and you can see from there massive pumps. Now, this obviously forms a symmetrical triangle chart pattern here across the chart. Now, that forms a measure move. That measure move looks like this on the breakout zone, which gives us a price target all the way to the upside here of around $1.50 for this asset. That will be, as discussed yesterday, 116% from that point. But again, 83% is still on the cards, guys. So a massive move. We've just cleared the 4-hour volume weighted ATR band. It's cleared this lovely level of support as well. It's very likely that we actually do sail up to $1.07 here, just probably straight up to this area. I do really think that there is potential here for a massive move, 25% on the cards. Now, when we hit that area, it's very likely that we do reject here, okay? You can see that we've got obviously the 12-hour volume weighted ATR band. We always reject on that. And again, this upward slope and parallel channel, rejection. It's very likely that we do pull back, especially after going potentially parabolic from this zone. So if you are looking for a position in this asset, obviously do your own research, but there is a massive short position from $1.06, probably down to $1, maybe even a little bit further here, depending on how it reacts from this area. But again, still, guys, that is still like a 5% move to the downside here if you are going to be capitalizing on that short. That is going to be it for me. Let me know what you think of Fartcoin in the comment section, guys. Drop it a like if you love the coin as well, and also subscribe to the channel, guys. We're posting videos every single day about many different projects. Thank you ever so much for watching. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next one.